Do you want to connect your USB-C device to your Xbox but you don't know how? You're not alone. Many gamers face this problem, but don't worry, I'm here to help you out. So if you're struggling to make your Xbox work with a USB-C cable, this video is for you. So first, let's make sure that you have the right adapter. So to connect USB-C to your Xbox, you're going to need a USB-C to USB-A adapter. You can find these at most electronic stores or online. Just plug the USB-C end into your device and then your USB-A end into your Xbox. Next, check if your Xbox controller is compatible with the USB-C cable. Newer Xbox controllers work perfectly with USB-C cables. So if yours doesn't, don't worry. You can always use a wired Xbox controller instead. If you're trying to use a USB-C charging cable for your Xbox, make sure that it's a high-speed cable to avoid slow charging. Want to connect a USB-C headset? Use a USB-C to 3.5 millimeter adapter to make it work smoothly with your Xbox. Finally, if you want to connect a USB-C external hard drive, simply plug it in and set it up through the Xbox settings. Now you know how to connect the USB-C to Xbox. Hit the like, comment, subscribe. Ciao.